Exceptional quality, primary location, diverse community and attractive facilities, all in one here in Istanbul, Üsküdar, Acıbadem neighborhood. But is it worth the investment? And what factors can guarantee that? And what places are nearby? If you're also looking for the answers, keep watching this video. Hi everyone, it's Farshid here from VIP Estates. Welcome to a new episode of Tell Me Why, and I'm here to tell you the reasons that make each and every project a great opportunity for investment. And today, I'm excited to share with you my experience of visiting a project that has truly amazed me. For the past 2 years, I've been passing by this project, eagerly waiting for the sales to open up, especially for foreigners. And when I first got the chance to visit the project a couple of months back, I was blown away by the quality, plans, facilities, and amenities it offers. Not to mention that the location itself is incredible. Asian side of Istanbul, in Üsküdar, Acıbadem neighborhood, right next to Akasya Shopping Center, residential complexes and offices of several corporate companies. Before reaching this project, you will come across the Almond Hill residential complex. On your way here, it is so hard to find units for sale from there, quite frankly, because those who live around here already love the neighborhood and find it hard to relocate to another part of the city unless they have to. This neighborhood is a multinational or multicultural community for those interested in living in such a vibrant environment. This single project itself has brought together hundreds of families from different nationalities, including Turks, Russians, Arabs, Iranians, Germans, Chinese, and many more. The project offers differentiation in terms of the units, plans, scenery, views of the units, and moreover, the rental income for the absentee owners makes it a second to none in this region and for the time being. So don't miss this opportunity. And if you're still searching around and trying to figure out which project would suit your need, send me a message. I'll do my best to help you out. Now let's have a closer look at the model of the project and see how it will look like by the time it's finished. We will then have a look at the sample apartment to show you the appliances and the materials. Well, as you can see, the project consists of 8 blocks in total, offering 1 to 5 bedroom apartments. The size of the units ranges from 60 to 350 square meters, depending on the blocks, plans, and floors, of course. There is a 15,000 square meters of green area here, having a beautiful park inside called Ben Leo, if I'm not mistaken, where you see walking tracks, playgrounds, swimming pool, a fitness and wellness center. Location-wise, I must say, it's situated right next to E5 highway, providing easy access to Bağdat Street or Caddebostan in just 10 minutes. You can get to MR Shopping Center, again in around 10 minutes. Akasya Shopping Center, Metro, and Metro bus stations are within walking distance. There is also Acıbadem Hospital that takes you only 5 minutes. We also have a branded block here for those interested in actually a rental income. If you want your block to be managed by another company, so you can buy from here and you will be paid accordingly. All right, I hope you have enjoyed the video so far. Please don't forget to hit the like button. You can also subscribe and follow to get notified of the new videos. Now let's check the sample apartment together. It's a 5-bedroom unit, 200 square meters gross, and 163 net. It has a closed kitchen, like 20 meters a square. I love kitchens more than any other place in an apartment. That's the place you share passion and love by cooking for the ones you love, your family, friends, and even yourself. Why not? So as you can see, the appliances they used are all Siemens. And all the wood's actually natural in here. There's also a balcony that we can have a better view of the construction site from here. Let's have a look together. Incredible, incredible, isn't it? Whoever I came here with, they loved this project. Absolutely amazing. The construction of this project, by the way, will be finished by December 2024. Okay, now let's have a look at the living room. It's time to see the living room. It's a 40 square meters. Open space for you to design it the way you want. I quite like the layout, design. It's a warm, modern, and relaxing environment, as you can see. I'm actually recording like 2 videos at the same time, myself and also the other side. So as you can see, here's a bathroom. So as soon as we leave the living room, we see a corridor here. This is a 5+1 or 5-bedroom sample apartment. So the bathroom, as you could see, this is the first room. Could be used for children. This is the second one. And here, I don't know if I can show here or not. It's a little bit dark in here, but yes. So they call it like to be a maid room. I think it's meant to be a maid room. So yeah. And another bedroom here. I mean, you can design it the way you want, so it's all up to you. And here is another bathroom. This is the master bedroom, by the way. The wardrobe in here, the closet. This is how they designed. Yeah, that's it. I mean, the quality is perfect. The quality is perfect. Good smell of wood in here, in this sample apartment. And it will be the same as this one, all the other apartments, depending on like 1+1 to 5+1. Okay, that's all for me now. I hope you enjoyed the video and found the project as amazing as I did. Don't miss out on the chance to be a part of this extraordinary community. Feel free to contact me for further information or assistance in finding the perfect project that suits your need. Invest wisely and embark on a prosperous future. Bye for now.